So users are always looking for real ways to spend digital assets, and DeCard has been making headlines. But is this a legitimate way to use crypto like cash, or just another overhyped fintech gimmick? Let's find out. So DeCard is a next-generation payment card backed by DCS Card Center, a licensed card issuer formerly known as Diners Club Singapore, that lets you spend stablecoins like USDT or USDC at millions of merchants worldwide, just like a regular Visa card. The system automatically converts stablecoins into fiat at checkout, so merchants aren't affected by crypto volatility. Here's where DeCard stands out. Backed by DCS Card Center, a regulated card issuer with decades of payment experience, allows stablecoin spending at real-world merchants. Over 150 million Visa-accepting locations globally. Partnerships with major banks like Standard Chartered add credibility, and financial infrastructure supports both fiat top-ups and stablecoin balances, useful for Web3 users who want real-world utility. That means it's not just vaporware. Real cards and apps exist and are rolling out, especially in Singapore. But there are some downsides. It's still very new and limited in availability, mostly launched in Singapore first, not everywhere yet. The stablecoin to fiat model may have conversion costs, promo changes, and terms that can shift, and early users have noted promotional surprises in forums. It's not a pure crypto credit card with traditional credit line borrowing. It functions more like a spend what you have model and preloaded assets and limits. So for now, it's real, but it's evolving. So is DeCard a legit crypto-friendly payment card or scam? It's a real regulated payment card backed by established financial partners that lets you spend stablecoins like cash, but it's not magic. It's new, somewhat niche, and may have evolving terms and fees. If you're a stablecoin holder and in a supported market like Singapore, it's worth checking out. Just read the fine print before you load up crypto. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.